The 2022 member load forecast shows 1 to 1.5% load growth through 2050. Growth within Basin Electric service area in the residential and commercial sectors is above the national average. Jay Lundstrom is Basin Electric's lead load forecast analyst and explains that an outside forecaster was brought in to take a look at load as it relates to the Bakken oil field and how the forecast for that field relates to others in the United States.
What we actually wanted to do is to look at another provider to be able to give us a sanity check, if you will, of where we think loads are going and how we're thinking about the play in total, and whether or not the way we're thinking matches up with what industry is thinking. So that's one of the reasons that we brought another team in to take a look at the way that we are forecasting the Bakken. It turns out that we were thinking about things fairly consistently with what industry is thinking. Some areas we needed some adjustments, but for the most part, we were thinking that it's exactly what they thought was going to happen as well.
The forecast is more of a bandwidth this year, showing a conservative case and a case that takes into account new loads that are appearing quickly. Crypto mining and economic development, for example, in western North Dakota.
So when you plan for the high case, you're looking at for example, you're looking at power supply planning, you're looking more at transmission line planning, and the low case you're looking at rate stability and rate planning and financial planning. So you try to be a little bit more cautious, I believe.
Our data centers and mining, crypto mining, that's been a big thing. I know that there's been a big move to relocate the Bitcoin mines. The substantial amount was in China, and then they outlawed that. So there's been a push to move that over to pretty much anywhere that they can find cheap electricity and infrastructure already in place. So we've been having lots of different points of contact with different companies from all over that have been contacting our members then to see, is this opportunity for them to serve a load of data mining or crypto mining. And so we keep track of that, and we make sure that we can have a reasonable estimate for the future, and so that we prudently plan for what we need to be doing.
Other areas of potential growth include hydrogen production hubs, pipeline switching from natural gas to electrically powered, and growth in electric vehicles.